Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Julia. Otherwise, welcome back to Makeup Time with Julia. In today's video guys, I have two mini eyeshadow palettes. The Huda Beauty Pastel Collection dupe. I got a dupe for you guys. Finally. Okay. Guys, I got these two. It cost me a penny. A penny. It cost me 1 pence. This eyeshadow cost 1 pence. But I pay, so it cost me a pence and over £4 to post it. I got it from Amazon. And the brand, I don't know this brand, is called Missyoung. Got this one. Then I got this one as well, the green one. So what I'm going to use today would be, I wanted to do one eye purple, one eye green, but I don't want to do that. I'll just do a separate video for this. You're going to have to kind of stay tuned for the purple one, but today I will just do the green. Okay. I hope you are doing well guys. With P. Louise base, you do one here and one here, down down down. The new foundation from Revolution, SS Revolution, so I just finished making video for that, so you're gonna have to check that video out guys. I will go in with this one first. I dab, I dab, I dab. Let's do this very one here. So from here, I'll just dab this all over. Yeah, this will catch any fallout. Okay, now I can blend. The last matte shade I have not used, which is this light brown. I will use this to lighten my brow bone. Let's try it. So all the matte, I have used all the matte shade. That's it. And this is what I have so far. Now let's go for the shimmer. Okay, here's the thing. I will apply this first. Okay, excuse you, madam. Did you see the shimmer though? This very shimmer here though. I like this. Oh, I truly like this. I will use this very one here. Talking about, just apply it. Wow, I like the shimmer shade though. Yeah, the shimmer shade, they are cool. Blend between matte shade and shimmer, stuff like that. Not too much this time, just you see. Yeah, I will use this shade again. I will try and see if I can get rid of excess shimmer shade and stuff like that. Brow bone area. You just want something that is different on your eyelid. I will reach for this shimmer shade, to be honest. Okay, my bottom lash now. I want to use this one. This one is Bonjoris. I call it Bonjoris. It's just gonna be this shade, maybe, yeah, this shade and this shade. That's what I'm just gonna use for my bottom lash. I'll apply this shade on my inner corner. This one is also bloody good. Oh my days. This was gorgeous. But the shimmer though, for God's sake. This shade is changed when it gets to your skin. Okay. I'm just gonna apply this shade on my bottom lash. Called Bobby Flow. I've never heard of this brand. Don't know. So let's just do me eyeliner. This is quite good. I'm surprised. I think this is good. I like this. I'll just do my first lashes off camera, then I'll come back. All right guys, we are now back. I've done everything that needed to be done off camera. I have applied lashes on. The lashes I use is style MIT4 Barely There from our collection. What do I think of this mini eyeshadow? Yeah guys, I think it's good. If you cannot afford the Huda Beauty one and you still want something similar, like I mentioned before, it cost me a pence. It cost me a pence, not even 2 pence, a pence. Then I paid for postage, which was about £4.50 for postage. So that's what I have here. I think the Huda Beauty one is about £27. I'm not sure, but I'm sure it's over £20 for the same thing. Okay, if you cannot afford that and you still want something similar, I will highly recommend this, guys. To be honest with you, all these shimmers, they blew me away. All of them. You have 5 shimmers. It is a keeper for me. That's it for today, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial / review. If you want to get this eyeshadow palette, it's available on Amazon. And don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys on my very next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye for now.